Hello friends and welcome to the class of mathematics. So in our previous video we just learned about the operation on the set, that is intersection of set, union of set, disjoint set. So in today's video we just learn about the number of element of the set. Okay, now I just write set A as set A. The element contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the meaning of number of element of set? So how many elements are present in that set is called as number of element of set. So how many numbers are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of A is equal to 5. Okay. Now I just write set B. Here is 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So how many elements are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of B is equal to 5. Okay. So there is one formula to have the relation between union, intersection and the number of element of the given set. Okay. So what is that relation? N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay. So this is a relation between union of set, intersection set and the given set. Okay. We just prove it by the given example. So here is n of A, n of B. I just find n of A union B, n of A union B. So union, you just collect all the element. If it is 2 times, we just take it once. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3 is already here is given it. So here is 6, 7, 8. So what is n of A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n of A union B is equal to 8. I just find n of A intersection B. What is the meaning of intersection? Intersection means only common element present in both set. I just take that only common element. So which elements are common? 2, 3, 2, 3. So here is 2, 3. So what is n of A intersection B? How many elements are present? Here is 2. Okay. So I just verify this relation. Okay. I just put the values and it's verify whether it is right or wrong one. I just put n of A union B, n of A union B is equal to 8. I just write here is. So I just change the pen. Here is 8. I just write the equal sign afterward when it become an equal one. N of A is 5 plus n of B is 5 minus n of A intersection B, it is 2. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. N of A union B is 3. So you are verifying this. You just take various problem to verify that equation. So we just see the relation between n of A, n of B and n of A union B and n of A intersection B. This is called number of element of set. So the problem is given, n of A is given 15, n of A union B is 29, n of A intersection B is 7 and n of B we just find out. Okay. So what is that relation? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. So I just put the values. It is too simple one. Just putting the values. What is n of A union B? Here is 29 is equal to n of A 15. I just find n of B. So I just write n of B as it is minus n of A intersection B is given, that is 7. Okay. So here is 29. 15 minus 7 is 8 plus n of B. I just find n of B. So 8 having plus sign. So I just change the side of it. It becomes minus. So here is 29 minus 8 is equal to n of B. So 29 minus 8 is 21 is n of B. Okay. You just put the values and get the answer. So there is a word problem. So in a school hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee, 20 drinks both, that means tea and coffee. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Okay. So this is a problem with reference to the number of element of the set. Okay. I just notify the tea coffee as some name of that set. So I just take U as universal set. So it is universal set. So universal set means how many number of students are present. So n of U is 125. Okay. So it is a bigger set, collect of all one. So I just take 80 student drink tea. I just name the set as A, that is set A, drink tea. So N of A, how many drinks tea? 80. Okay. So I just take set B as which drinks coffee. So N of B, they given as N of B is 60. And what additional thing they are given? 20 drinks both. Both means we know both is a common thing, that is an intersection. So N of A intersection B, that is 20. So I just have the formula to solve it. So just formula is like that. We know that formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. It is too simple. Now just put the values. So N of A union B, we just find out, because the given condition N of A is given, N of B is given, N of A intersection B is given. So N of A 80, N of B 60 minus intersection is 20. Okay. So 80 plus 60, so it is 140. 140 minus 20, that is 120 students. The union of A union B is 120. Okay. But I just find the students who do not drink tea or coffee. So it is N of U minus N of A union B. So I just subtract these from universal set. Okay. So N of U is 125 minus 120. So what is the answer here? Here is 5. Okay. Now I just explain this with the help of Venn diagram, because yesterday on the previous video we just told that Venn diagram is a logical concept to view the problem. Okay. Now, so I just look here. Here is the universal set U. So this is the universal set. Here is set A. Here is set B. Set A refers the drinks who drinks tea, B refers who drinks coffee, and intersection part is both who drinks tea or coffee. So this is intersection part. I just change the pen to clarify you. Here is 20, part is 21. So here is 20. Now who drinks tea? A. That means who remains? 20 is already here. So 80 students who drink tea, but 20 can have the common factor. They drink tea as well as coffee. So the only drink tea is 60. And what they only drinks coffee? Here is 60. But common part is 20. That is 40. Okay. But total number of students that universal set contain having 125. But out of which N of A, so I just add this 60 plus 40, 100 plus 20, 120. So 120 students who either drink tea or coffee or both. Okay, but 125 students are present in hostel. So clearly I just subtract 120 from here. So I just get 5. So in that part, 5 students are there who do not drink tea or coffee. Okay, so next word problem is, a survey was conducted to know the hobby of 220 students of class 9, out of which 130 inform about their hobby as rock climbing. So rock climbing, 130 students. 180 have sky watching as their hobby. There are 110 students who follow both. That means 110 students follow the hobby as sky watching as well as rock climbing. Then how many students do not have any of the hobbies? This is the first question. So how many students of them follow hobby of rock climbing only? This is the second part. And third part, we just find out how many of them follow the hobby of sky watching only. Okay. So this is problem related to the number of element of the set. Okay. So I just write universal set as U. So N of U is given. So N of U, how many total students are there? So here is 220. I just take A, set A as rock climbing. So how many students have hobby as rock climbing? 130. So N of A is equal to 130. I just take set B as sky watching. Okay. So number of students who watch the sky, their hobby as sky watching is 180, and 110 student having the both hobby, that means intersection part is given. N of A intersection B is 110. Okay, so I just write the formula, and to find how many students who do not have any hobby, so this is N of A union B. Formula is very simple, that is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay, I just put the values here. So N of A means rock climbing 130 students plus N of B 180 student minus N of A intersection B 110. Okay, so here is 2, here is 3, 310 minus 110. So 310 minus 110, that is 200. So 200 students have the part of their union. So I just find the number of students who do not have any hobby. So how I can find? It is find by N of U minus N of A union B. So N of U is given, that is total number of students. So it is 220. So 220 minus 200, that is 20 students who do not have any either hobby. Okay, I just sky watching or rock climbing. Now I just draw the Venn diagram. My second part and third part is very much concentrated on the Venn diagram. Okay, so I just draw the Venn diagram here. So this is my union set. I just rub it partially. This is what union set. Total number of present is 220. So this is the intersection part. This is set A, set B. Here is set A. Here is set B. Okay. So set A contain rock climbing students. Hobby as rock climbing, that is 130. But I just put here is intersection part is 110. That means 110 student have both their hobbies. So rock climbing it is 130, but already 110 students is there. So it is here is 20. Now this is set A. Now you just add this set A. Set A is 110 plus 20, that is 130. Now part B, sky watching, but intersection part is 110. So here is 180 is given. So 70 students is in that part. Now concentrate here. How many students, how many of them follow the hobby of rock climbing only? So set A is rock climbing. This part is the intersection part. That means 110 students have their hobby both either rock climbing or sky watching. Okay. So 20 students only as their hobby as rock climbing. So my second part's answer is 20, because this is the part where you get the only rock climbing, and 70 of them have only hobby as sky watching. Okay, you should find it by mathematical way also. Okay, so here is N of A is 130. I just find only, that means N of A minus N of A intersection B, that is 130 minus 110, that is 20 students have only rock climbing. In the same way, we just find as sky watching, N of B is given, that is 180. So we just find N of B minus N of A intersection B for finding only sky watching. Here is 180 minus 110, that is 70. So this part is only sky watching, this part is only rock climbing. Okay, so this is just find as many problem as you can, just solve it as many problem as you can. So if you are having any problem related to the number of element of the set, you just subscribe this channel, you just call me, I just solve all your problems. And for more and more fun of mathematics, you just subscribe channel DV Joshi. Thank you.